Hello everyone, I'm Kelly and welcome to my channel Power of Makeup. Using tissue all the day to make your skin look clear and clean. I know that's embarrassing, especially in summers. It becomes more difficult to deal with it. So today I'm going to tell you a few home remedies which will help you to clear oily skin. But before applying a remedy, what you have to do is use a hot washcloth to massage it into your face for 3 to 5 minutes. It helps to open up your face pores and best results are obtained. So we are going to start with our first remedy. For our first remedy, we are going to use apple and some honey. Everyone heard about the famous proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, because it has vitamin C, vitamin A, and it removes whiteheads, blackheads, and oil. What you have to do is first de-seed and crush a fresh apple. I do have fresh crushed apple. Then mix it with 4 teaspoons of honey, which is full of antioxidant. Apply this paste on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with warm water. Repeat this process regularly for better results. For our second remedy, we are going to use tomato. Tomato juice removes excess oil and tightens pores. A soothes and cleans combination can be used on treated oily skin as it is rich in vitamin A, C, and E. So here is blended tomato, which I blended in blender. Use a cotton ball to apply it on your face. Leave it until it gets dry, then wash with warm water. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times weekly for best results. For our third remedy, we are going to use almonds and honey. Why almonds and honey? Because they both have a lot of benefits for oily skin. Not only for oily skin, but they both have a lot of benefits for other skin problems. Almonds and honey exfoliate skin, removing excess oil, remove dead skin cells, and other impurities. What you have to do is mix crushed almonds into honey and make a paste as required for your face. Then wait for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, wash your face with warm water. Apply this process regularly. Alright. Now for our fourth remedy, we are going to use baking soda. Why baking soda? Because it exfoliates to remove dead skin cells, regulates oil production, and helps to balance the skin's pH levels. How you are going to use baking soda is mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water to make a paste for your face. Massage this paste into your face for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it dry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash your face with warm water. Repeat this process for 1 week and you will have best results for sure. For our last remedy, we are again using apple because apple work is a great exfoliating agent and soothing properties that make them a great home remedy for oily skin. The malic acid in apples helps exfoliate dead skin cells and absorb excess oil from the skin's surface. You can only use crushed apple to your face, but if you want, you can use 1 teaspoon of crushed apple with 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to form a smooth paste. Apply this paste all over your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash your face with cool water. Repeat this process for almost 1 week. After 1 week, you will see the best results on your face. That's all for today. Hope you try these great remedies and give comments. Please, if you like my work, hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.